So now that we have put a menu item inside the menu, we are going to add some submenu commands. We have our submenu. Let's go ahead and add some commands to it. All right, so now we've done that, let's move on. Let's look to add a few commands. And let's say if I click on color, let's say there should be two commands. Let's add a command that makes the background color of the button red and a command that makes the background color green. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. The first thing I want to do is let's define two functions, right? Let's say define make red, okay, and this is going to change the button 1 background color. We'll say background is equal to red, right? And we're going to copy this and paste it, and we'll create one called make green. Okay, this is our make green function, and we'll configure it so background color is green. All right, so those are two functions. Let's go ahead and let's create some. Let's create a command to actually make that happen. So we're going to pick the actual menu item that we want. So we'll say color menu, and we'll add a command to it. All right, and what we'll put in here is we'll add a label, right? And this label is going to say, let's just make this label red, and then we'll pass it a command. So we'll say make red, which is then going to push me to the make red function that I created. All right, let's copy this and let's add this in here. So we'll say green, and we'll use the make green function. Okay, so we've added two commands. So now if I click on color, there should be two different commands that pop up. Let's run it and see what happens. All right, so if I click on color, two commands pop up, red and green. If I click on red, it should turn red. And then if I click on green, it should turn green. So this is just one menu item, and these are just two commands within this menu item. But this is a simple way of how you would create commands. So I'll go ahead and leave a comment here. So we created create command, and then we create another command. So just to go back over what we did here, we looked into the color menu, which is this menu item. Okay, we added a command to it, and then we linked it to a function that we created. And that's how you would add commands inside of a submenu.